Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux in Roblox. So Robux is the currency in Roblox, and so to buy things, you need Robux. And so you probably want to go and buy some Robux. So to go and do that, you go to the top right of Roblox and click on the Robux icon, and you can then click on buy Robux. Now what you can do is choose the amount you want to go and get. If you are a Roblox premium member, you can go and get more, but in this case I'm not, so I will just then get the standard 400 Robux package. So it will show you in your country currency. Go and click on it, and we now need to go and make a payment. So on the right here, we've got a few different options. In this case, I'm going to tap on my card. Then what I can do is go and enter in my details here. After you have entered in the info, you can then go and click on pay. It will go and say processing, and once it's gone through, it will go and say thank you for your purchase. Please up to 5 minutes for the upgrades or change. But as you can see, the Robux has already been added to my account, and I can now go and spend it. It's that simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.